Hello dear investors. The site is in touch with you GURU.Markets. Thank you so much for watching our video review. Dear viewer, I kindly ask you to like this video. Your like is extremely necessary for the development of the project GURU.Markets. Now we will consider the main indicators of the organization B. Riley Financial Inc., ticker RILY. This review was generated using data that was current as of April 28, 2024. According to classification GURU.Markets, company B. Riley Financial Inc. belongs to the subcategory Exchange. 50 companies are involved in the comparison. This is very representative. We start with summary information about the corporation. A little further we will look at each parameter in more detail. If you're interested, you can pause the video. You can study all the parameters of the corporation in question more carefully. You can view the database with the classification of tickers using the link in the pinned comment. Please share a link to this issue with your friends. Thank you very much for your repost, as well as other support. All this really helps the work. Market capitalization of the company B. Riley Financial Inc. valued at $1.12 billion. Market capitalization of the subcategory is $627 billion. B. Riley Financial Inc. has a share of 0.178% and is one of the very small companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $0.29 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $167 billion. B. Riley Financial Inc. accounts for a share of 0.174%. Comparing the shares of the exchange and book value, we see the following. Occupied share B. Riley Financial Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 0.178%. The book value is 0.174%, which is 2% less than the share of market capitalization. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Total company assessment B. Riley Financial Inc. will be presented at the very end of the video. Please review the logic of the analysis in full. The company under study has debts of $2.445 billion. Financial liabilities to balance sheet capitalization amount to 843.1% of capital. Result on the level of the company's financial liabilities. Very bad, -2 points. The balance of the company's market price to profit is 0. With an average for the subcategory of 35.8, which is much worse than in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's market value to its profit in comparison with the subcategory. Very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$86 million. Projected earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. This is very bad for the company. Assessment of projected future profits in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. The company's price-to-revenue balance is 0.8. The average for the subcategory is 3.2 and this is 75% lower than the average for the subcategory. Evaluation of market value to revenue ratios in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $1,450 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. And this is very bad for the company. Assessment of expected future revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. If you are interested in our analytics. In this case, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell. It's free for you. You'll be the one who will greatly help spread this channel. Thank you very much for your subscription. The margin is -5.9%, with an average for the subcategory of 8.8%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 14.8%. Marginality assessment in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of subcategory personnel is 1.239%, which is 596% more than the share of market capitalization. This fact shows the discrepancy between the current market value of the organization B. Riley Financial Inc., rather towards underestimation. The amount of market capital for each employee of the company is equal to $468,000. And for the subcategory $3,261,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the organization's performance is 85.6%. Estimation of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per individual employee of the company is $0,000. With the average for the subcategory, $91,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 100%. Estimation of profit per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The share of sales per individual employee of the organization is $610,000. By subcategory $1,033,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 69%. Estimation of revenue per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The volume of short transactions was 66.1%, with an average for the subcategory of 4.1%. This is an indicator of the risk of a short squeeze. Technical indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 79% for the company B. Riley Financial Inc. In the subcategory, this level is approximately 50%. On average, securities of the subcategory are valued lower than those of the company B. Riley Financial Inc. Comparing the movement of the company's stock price B. Riley Financial Inc. and subcategory companies. We will see that over the last 12 months the company's shares B. Riley Financial Inc. showed a dynamics of 25.3%. Against price changes in the subcategory 20.6%. This does not say anything definitively, but it is necessary to keep this fact in mind. The total result is -7 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 1.2 points. If you look broadly, within the market as a whole, we see that the average result for the entire US stock market is 0.3 points. Against the company's score of -7 points B. Riley Financial Inc. Let's look at the table of orders that is available to you. A link to it in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all previously made decisions by the stock valuation information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in pinned comment. Based on the valuation of the company's shares B. Riley Financial Inc. GURU.Markets. Open an order because B. RILY Financial Inc. Overvalued subcategory company. Many thanks to all of you for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system GURU.Markets. You all truly are the coolest audience in the world.